Hello my crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to do a journal with me in my spring journal. I just thought that what I want to do is I want to show you, I just recently did a spring journal update with some craft with me, but I did say in that video that I was going to show you what I'm planning on doing with these cards or these envelopes. So I am going to do that today. So if you want to see what I'm thinking I'm going to hopefully do with these envelopes, go ahead and stick around. Okay, so basically what I thought that I would do was I want to do a collage of the envelopes, but I am only just basically going to take kind of the name part. So this one, she just wrote my name in the front. Oh, that's cute too. It says, "Yay you." That's cute. That's funny. I actually do say that quite often. And then I love how my friend wrote this, "Happy birthday." And then this one, "Happy birthday, Crystal." And then I think I'll try to take the little Hallmark sticker off and use that as well. And then I have this one, it's really cute. And then I have my mom's as well, which I kind of glued all over. And yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to find a page that I can use. Got quite a few that I've already done in here. If you're interested in seeing what any of that looks like, you can go ahead and check out all of the videos. All my playlists are down below. I think that I want to put it right here. This page is kind of dull with the two kind of coffee stained papers. So I think I'm going to put it right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut out the names from these envelopes. I'm just going to cut this envelope. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that swirl in there. I'd like to try. Okay, so I'm just going to cut that little part out. Actually, I think what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to tear it, because I do want to do kind of like a collage, and if I tear it, then it rips the thing. I'm going to be really mad. Wow, this little envelope is... Sorry. Went silent because I was like trying not to cut too far, rip it too far. This little envelope is a tough little envelope, man, to rip. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's rip this little part right here off the top. So I'm basically just going to decoupage my name all over this page. So here's another one. So again, I'm just going to cut it so then I have the envelope part, and then I do plan on just, oops, ripping the happy birthday part out. So then, like, might ink those up a little bit. So those two envelopes. I've got this bright yellow one, and I got that yay. And you know, it's just one of those things. It's like, I actually really love my name. I think my name is really pretty. So thanks, Mom. Good job. And it's one of those things that's really hard to find my name. I mean, it's not like as hard as my sister's name. My sister's name is Elisa, and it's A-L-I-S-A. And harder for her to find stuff that with her name on it. But growing up as kids, we were always so excited if we ever found our name on anything. Like, you know, like those license plates or cups or something, anything like that. We always were so excited because it was very, very rare. It was really rare for my sister to ever have something that was personalized. But yeah, so it's super fun to just have all these little pieces on here. Kind of want that to be in the kind of center. And then I want that, I thought this would be cute to have on here. Add that touch of yellow. Of course, I almost ripped it, which would have not made me happy. So like that there, and then bring that yellow up to the top. And then hit that more centered maybe. Not loving it. I feel like it needs something. I have this piece of tissue paper. It happens to have all of the right colors. So I'm kind of thinking, instead of having it be this tea dyed paper, that I actually put this down first. So I'm going to measure this out and cut this piece. And then now what it has to look like. Let me put this down. I like it better, but I still feel like it needs something. I think I'm just gonna go for it. I'm just gonna get it done. I mean, you know, it's like sometimes you just gotta do it. And if it doesn't work, I mean, it doesn't look horrible. That little piece is not gonna help me. I need it bigger. It's not good either. Oh. Okay, so I'm going to decoupage. And actually, you know what? I'm not going to decoupage because it's going to get the paper all wet. I'm just going to glue stick it on. Just going to glue stick the tissue paper on. And I like the feel of decoupage typically, but kind of not in the mood for waiting for it to dry. Okay. And I think I will ink up all of these little pieces. So I won't make you watch that. I will be back. And then we'll just figure out what it needs after. And then if it doesn't need anything, we'll just leave it the way it is too. I mean, I had an idea, and I think it's kind of one of those things where sometimes you have this idea, this image of what you have in your head is like, okay, it's gonna look like this. And then when it doesn't quite look like the way that you pictured it in your head, it's sometimes disappointing, but I think that ultimately it's okay. I don't know what I expected it to look like. I mean, I tore up pieces of envelope and put them on a page. What did I expect it to just look glorious? I don't know what I was expecting. But way to document my friend's handwriting. So okay, I kind of actually like it. I don't know. You tell me what you think in the comments. I do think I need to add a ruffle. I think that it would be cute if I had a ruffle on the side. Okay, so I opened this up, and I have to admit I don't know who gave it to me because both Lynette and Ronna gave me one of these, so I'm not sure where it came from, but I think I'm just going to add that to the side. Yeah, I think I'm just going to add that to the side just to add something to the side. Yeah, I like that. Okay, I'm going to cut this and cut this. There. Yeah, I mean, you know, it's not exactly what I was thinking, but I like it. It's good. And I think I will enjoy having that in my book. I think what I'm going to do with my mom's birthday card that she gave me is I'm going to take this part off. Hopefully I can get this part off. Without completely destroying the paper. Got it off. Okay. Because I wanted to keep this. Because that's really cute. And then what I think I will do is like a double layer. Wow. This is super thick. I don't need all this thickness in my book. So I'm going to cut this out. I'll just keep that part. So I'm just going to go ahead and glue this up on the sides. Okay, and then I'm going to put my little this part in the pocket when it's dry. I need to shorten this a little bit to make it fit in the pocket. So I'm just going to go right up to that edge where it says Mom. gonna wait until that pocket dries before I put this in here. So I'm just gonna clip this on for now. Okay, so I do want to add just a couple of more things. I've only got a couple pages left, which I'm so excited about. Let's see, I think this is dried enough. I can put this in here. No, it won't fit. Dang it. I'm gonna have to cut the top off of this. Okay. All right. Hanging out too much. Okay, so I have this Easter brochure that came from my church. And I think I definitely want to add this in here. Oh, look how good that looks together. Okay, but I don't want to add the whole thing. I'm just actually gonna rip this off. Come on. And I'm going to cut this. I love how the purples work together. Okay. And that's actually kind of cool, but I don't know if I'll need that. Is there anything else in here I wanted to keep? I think I wanted to keep the notes of the sermon. I think I'm just going to glue it in and let it be done. Do I need that? Why not? I'll just stick it right there. Okay. And then I'm just going to fold this up and stick this in the little pocket. And I'm going to call that done. Okay, great. Got one more thing in my book. I'm dwindling down. Dwindling down. The stuff is dwindling down. Okay. All right, I think that's probably going to be a long enough video. So yeah, so that's all I'm going to do today. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll just